Hello guys, and welcome back to another quick unboxing and hands-on review. So today we are unboxing the iPhone 11. As you can see the box, we have a photo of iPhone on the front, iPhone is written on the side, and this is the 64 GB variant. As you can see, the price quoted on the box is 68,300 rupees, but I got it on Amazon sale for around 49,000. Let's just quickly unwrap it and see what else we get with the box. Okay, we get a beautiful iPhone on the top. Let's keep it aside. Look what's inside the box. Okay, we get the earpods and the 5-watt charger. And the earpods come with the lightning connector. Yeah, it does. Okay, we get the lightning cable, USB to lightning cable. Let's keep it aside and come back to the phone now. Let's remove the film and let me give you a physical overview. On the top we get nothing. On the bottom we have the lightning port, and on the left side we get the volume rocker and alert slider. On the right side we get power button. Let's just boot it up. Okay, I guess it has some juice on it. Okay, and it's booted up. Let me just quickly set up and come back to you. In the meantime, have a look at the specs. Okay, so the phone has been set up and it's working great. No lag as of now. It's just fluid and it's very smooth. Let me just quickly show you the settings. And let's go to about. So it's running iOS 14.0.1, which is the latest update. So out of the 64 GB we get around 45 GB free, and we also get the 1-year membership for Apple TV. And the phone is pretty smooth. I'll be uploading some camera samples and we'll make a separate video on camera review. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you like the video. Make sure you like, subscribe and comment.